Hello, students. I hope you all are doing well. Yesterday, we have started with chapter shapes and we have done the basic introduction of that. Today, the topic which we are going to cover is basic concepts of geometry. So, be very careful while watching this video and try to understand the concept. Okay? Basic concepts in geometry. So, we are going to start with the basic thing which we would understand about geometry. So, what is the first thing? Point. Point, what is point? It is made with the tip of a pencil or a marker, you can say. Name it by any capital letter of English alphabet. Like you can name it as A, you may name it as P, you may name it as S, any capital letter of English alphabet. Point is made at the tip of a pencil or a marker. It has no size. It defines the exact location at this point. Okay? The line will cross at this point. Okay? So it specifies the exact location. Okay? Next is straight line. What is a straight line? A straight line has arrowhead on both sides to show that it can be made longer on either side. This is a straight line. Now look here. This is a straight line. Okay. Now if I put a arrowhead, this is a arrowhead. What do we call it? Arrowhead. These arrowhead specifies that it can be made longer. मतलब ये दोनों तरफ से किसी भी तरफ से either from this side or from this side it can be made longer. मतलब इसको बड़ा कर सकते हैं. That means it's a straight line. And mark points on both the sides of the line and name the points A, B and so on. And then we will mark a point here and here and we will name it as what? A, B or any other capital letter. You can donate P, Q, S, T, C, D, whatever you may like. Okay. So here it is the name. Name the straight line. A line has no end points. इसके कोई end points नहीं है. ये इसका end point नहीं है. It can go longer from either this side or from this side. इसलिए हम इस जरूरी नहीं है कि हम इसकी length भी बता सकें. We cannot tell its length. And a straight line can be made in any direction. So how we will make it in any direction? Now, so here we can say it. This is a horizontal straight line. This sleeping line is the horizontal straight line. The standing line, we will name it as PQ. This standing straight line will be called as vertical straight line. What it will be called as? Vertical straight line. And this slanting line will be called, if I name as XY. So it will be called as slanting line or oblique. What do we call it? Oblique. So here we will say it as, how we will write? A, B. Straight line, AB के ऊपर छोटी सी लाइन बना के AB straight line is a horizontal line. Now PQ is a Vertical line is a vertical straight line, you can say, or horizontal straight line. And XY is a slanting straight line. Or you can say it as a oblique line. Slanting line is also known as oblique, OBLIQUE, oblique straight line. Okay. Next is line segment. Straight line between 2 points. Now you can see there are 2 points, this point and this point. So if we name it ST, so these are the 2 points and line segment जो होता है उसको हम measure कर सकते हैं. क्या कर सकते हैं? measure. Like इसका length है 6, it is 6 centimeter. So a line segment can be measured, but a straight line, जिससे पहले हमने टॉपिक किया था, straight line that cannot be measured, it has a definite length, but a straight line does not have a definite length. So why उसकी क्यों नहीं थी? Because it has that arrowhead. arrowhead था ना कि वो दोनों तरफ से बड़ी हो सकती है, but a line segment को हम बड़ा नहीं कर सकते. It has 2 end points. It can be measured by a ruler that means a scale, and it has a definite length, मतलब हम उसकी length को measure कर सकते हैं. Like for example, this is 6 centimeter. Clear? Next is ray. It has one arrowhead. Now you can see here, it has one arrowhead. आप straight line में देखा था, there were 2 arrowhead. It's this side also, but a ray has only one arrowhead. It can be made longer from the side of N. जिस side arrowhead है, that means this point. इस point से हम इसकी length बढ़ा सकते हैं, इसको आगे इस line को बढ़ा सकते हैं. That is why it is known as a ray. It has one end point. That means यहाँ इसका starting point है. It has one end point. This point, that is the point M. Is also known as the initial point of the ray. इसको initial point भी कहते हैं. N point, अगर इसको हम N नेम देते हैं, इसी साइड से इसको हम longer कर सकते हैं. It has one arrowhead and that is why it is called as ray. I will give you one example like sun की रेज होती है ना, so उसकी रेज बढ़ती जाती हैं, बट जहां से स्टार्ट होती है वो पॉइंट क्या है? उसका इनिशियल पॉइंट. एंड इट कैन गो अहेड, कितनी भी दूर जा सकती है. ठीक है ना, कितनी भी दूर जा सकती है. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरसेक्टिंग लाइन्स. What are intersecting lines? When 2 lines cross each other at a point. Now you can see here 2 lines. 2 lines means here there are this one line and it has 2 arrowheads. So that means it's a straight line. And if we name it AB is a slanting straight line. And here we will name it as CD. So CD is again slanting straight line. They are intersecting at point, let's say यहाँ इस पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है ना, इस पॉइंट पे एक दूसरे को क्रॉस कर रही है. सो वी विल से इट एज P और Q और S, वॉट एवर नेम यू वॉन्ट टू गिव. सो हियर वी विल राइट इट एज AB straight line is intersecting CD straight line at point, which is the point? What is the name of that point we have given? P. At point P, इस point पे intersect कर रही है. Okay. Next is curved line. The zigzag lines are curved line. It can be made in any way. For example, if I make a line like this, so this will be a curved line. This is a zigzag line. Or if I make something like this, even this is a line, but it is a zigzag, or we can say a curved line, or like this. So even this is a zigzag line. Okay, and it can be made in any way you want. So these types of lines are known as curved lines.
Now everyone, take out your Maths Fair notebook so that we can start our notebook work of exercise 4.1.
Now everyone, in your notebook, write down chapter 4, shapes, exercise 4.1, put today's date, page number. Okay, after that we will start with question number 1. Make 4 different points and name them. So here you will write them. Put 4 different points and name them. Like I am naming it P, Q, R, S. Okay. Next question says, make a point, draw as many straight lines passing through it as possible. How many lines did you draw? Did you name all the lines? Make a point. I have made one point. Then it says draw as many lines. इस point से बहुत सारी lines जा सकती हैं. You can't count them. As many lines you may draw, as much possible. And then you have to name them. So I have named them A, B, C, D, E, F, X, Y. You may make. इससे ज़्यादा भी बना सकते हो आप लोग. And this is the point from where it is. All the lines are passing. Okay. Question number 3 says, draw the sun and draw 12 rays from it. Remember to name the rays. हमें rays बनानी है एक sun बनाकर. So here I have made one sun, a circle, and I have made 12 rays. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I have named all the rays. And rays क्या होता है, मैंने क्या बताया था? It has one arrowhead. एक arrowhead. So सब rays पे मैंने एक arrow बनाया है. Remember this. And after that name them. Okay? Clear question number 3? Now come to question number 4. Which letter in the English alphabet have curved lines? Draw 3 curved lines using 3 different colors. इस क्वेश्चन के 2 पार्ट्स हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट है विच ऑफ द इंग्लिश लेटर अल्फाबेट्स किस किस में कर्व्स होते हैं. बी लेटर में कर्व होता है, सी कर्व्ड होता है ना, ए में नहीं होता. सी इट हैज कर्व, डी इट हैज, जी, जे, ओ, पी, क्यू, आर, एस and U. Rest all have straight slanting lines or straight lines or standing lines, right? Now the other part of this question says draw 3 curved lines using three different colors. So here I have made 3 curved lines. मैंने अपनी मर्जी से बनाई हैं. You can make it according to you with any of the 3 different colors. Okay, clear?
Now students, I am attaching the screenshot of the questions which we have done here of exercise 4.1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Complete it in your Maths Fair notebook. Only this work you have to do, no other explanation work you have to do. Only exercise 4.1, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 you have to do in your Maths Fair notebook. If you still have any confusion, you may call me or message me. Till then, bye bye and take care.